Welcome to my channel. Linksys WRT3200ACM Router Setup and Performance. 1. Unbox your router. Take out the router, power cable, and Ethernet cable from the box. 2. Connect to the modem. Plug the Ethernet cable from your modem into the Internet, yellow, port of the WRT3200ACM. 3. Power on the router. Connect the power adapter and let the router boot up until the lights stabilize. 4. Connect to router Wi-Fi. On your phone or laptop, connect to the default Wi-Fi name written on the router label. 5. Open Linksys setup page. Go to http://192.168.1.1 or http://linksyssmartwifi.com in your browser. 6. Start Smart Setup Wizard. Click next right pointing arrow, follow the on-screen instructions to begin setup. 7. Create new Wi-Fi name and password. Set your custom 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi names and strong password. 8. Set admin password. Choose a secure admin password to protect router settings. 9. Update firmware. Go to connectivity right pointing arrow firmware update and install the latest version for best performance. 10. Check performance. Test speed on both bands, enable MU-MIMO, beamforming, and place the router at a central location for strongest coverage. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.